Hello everyone and welcome you to Constech Academy. This lesson is brought to you by Master Moses Saturday of Constech Academy. This is where we have stopped in our previous lesson and we are going to continue. Now we want to do some certain changes. The frame 2, click on it. We want to bring it down. Okay, so come here and bring it down. Bring it down. Okay, let's view it. So run the form and see. That's perfect. We will now put our buttons here. Okay, we'll now put our buttons here. Let me adjust the list box. Okay, click on the list box, expand it small. That's correct. Expand this one also small. That's correct. Now let's go for the command buttons. So you have your two box over here. So locate the command buttons. Click on it and draw the first command button. Okay, draw your first command button. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, now for you have the other window which will display. So I'll bring my property window. So here I will change it. The caption, I will give it what? Add. Okay. Now I want to format it. So I'll go to fonts. I'll make it bold and increase the size to 10 and I'll click on OK. I'm okay with it. So I'll duplicate this. So Ctrl C, V to paste. I'll paste again. I'll paste again. I'll put one here. Okay. Now let's rename it. This one will give it a name. Refresh. This one will give it a name. The caption, close. Let's add another one. So let's put the close over here. So that the close will be at the extreme last. So that we'll give it a caption or delete. Okay, delete. We'll give this caption search. So let's position it well. Okay. Then we must have another one for update. So click on update. You give the caption update. Now let's position this one well. Let's copy this text box. Let's copy it and paste it and put it here. And let's expand it. That's correct. Now you can add your color to it. So how do you achieve that? You go to a back color. Okay. Choose the color you want to use. Okay, for me, actually I want the same color for all. You change the font color to white. So I'll do the same thing here. So for me to do it, I'll select all. My hand will be on the shift, and I'll select all. Okay. You select this one. Your hand will be on shift. You select this one. Select this one. Select this one. Now you can go to your font color and give it a white color, and then your back color, and I give you the same color. You can choose to give any color that you prefer to it depending on your preference. Okay, I'll also give this one that same color and change the font color, the font color to white. Okay, let me change this one back to white. So I'll change the back color to white. Let me run the form and see what you are doing. Run the form. Click here and run the form. Okay. Run the form to see what you are doing. Not bad. Not bad. I want to remove the that border shape. Okay. We can remove it. You can choose to do what you like. Okay. Yeah, you can be creative. You can be creative enough. So shift to send this one, and then okay. I'm okay with it. Arrange it well. After you finish, you arrange it well. You position it well. Position it well. Okay. Okay, let me run the form and see how it look like. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. You can choose to do whatever you prefer to do. Okay. So as I've said that you are at liberty to use the color scheme that you want to use. So this is the color scheme that I have used. Now let's come back and do certain things. Okay. Let's click on the list box. List box. And go to the column count. The column count is 11. If you go to the database, if you count the columns, it's 11. 1, 2 is 11. So take your time and count it. It's 11. So the column count here will be what? Column count. Column count is 11. Now the column head, bring it to be true. So you can see the column head appearing. Now the column width. So the first one is for the serial number. We give it 0, and then the admission number we want to give it 60. The learner's name is very long, so 180 or 200 depending on you. Now the gender we want to give it 60. The class we want to give it also 60. Then the date of birth we also want to give it a 180. Then the guardian's name 200. Some people names can be very long. Location 180. Then hometown 180. Contact 180. Then the last one for the distance we will give it a also 100. And that's all. Now we'll come back to, let's do something here. Come here and change the visibility to be false. So go to visibility, change it to what? False. The reason why we are changing the visibility to be false is that we write a code that will capture the row source. Okay, when you add a picture, where that picture is located, it will be captured there, but we don't want it to be part of the form. So when you run the form right now, when you run this form, because you have put the visibility to false, it will you haven't. Let's do it back again. Come here and change the visibility to what? To false. And then save your work. Now let's run the form. Sorry, this is not part of what we are doing. So run the form. You see that the image path, you cannot see it. You cannot see it. That's perfect. You will not see the details here yet because we haven't write a code. We didn't. There's something that we need to do. So let's go back to our form, and you go to formula. Go to formula. Go to formula. Okay, formula. Then you go to name manager. Name manager, and click on new, or better still, you just click here, define name. At the end of the day, you will get the same result. So here we want to give it a name, basic 7 database. Now copy this. This is the same name that you're going to use as the source, so that it will bring the column heading. Now you delete the whole of this, clear it. Okay, clear it all. Now bring the equal to sign, offset. We are going to use this function to be able to bring up the headings with all the details in the database. So offset your open parenthesis. Then you select the first heading, that is the you bring comma, and because it's the first one, you say 1, comma 0, comma, then counter. You bring the open parenthesis, then you select the first, the whole of this, then you close the brackets, -1, okay, comma, the number of columns is 11, so 11, then you close the parenthesis, then you click on OK. Now let's check if what we have done is correct. So if it's actually correct, it will select, if there is a detail in your database, it will highlight it. So let's go back to name manager, click on it, and then you select it. That's correct. It will select the details in the database. If it's one individual name that you have entered, it will select that range. It means our formula is working. Close it. Now go back to what? The developer tab, Visual Basics. Then click on the list, the list box. Click on it, and you go to source, row source. Then you paste the name. I've asked you to copy that name. Then you see the details coming here. Now let's align it. Let's make it so let's align. We want to be at the center. So you see. Now let's run this form and see. Okay, select the form and then run it. Now you can see. You can see now. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. It means you are on course. You are doing well. You are doing well. You are doing well. So in our next lesson, we'll be writing the VBA code. I have already written the code, so I'll just forward to you. The code for close, we are very familiar with close, is what? Upload me. So let's run the before we write the codes, let's click on the form, the command tab, and we're going to change the name. So click whatever is here and write the CMD add. Please make sure you write this name as it appears, because if you choose to write a different name, the codes will not work. Okay, then you click refresh, and then you are going to clean whatever is there and write a CMD refresh. The same spelling, don't write, very important. Then CMD what? CMD what? Update. Update, the first letter is what? In capital letter. Then here it will be what? TST search. Very important. Then you click here to be what? CMD or search. Come here. It's what? CMD what? Delete. Then you come here. You clear whatever is there. And I CMD what? Close. Okay. Here we can write the code for this one. We're going to say this webbook. So we're going to write this webbook dot what? Save. And then after that, upload me. Upload me. Me here is the form. Okay, upload me. Me here is the form. So let's run it and see. Save your work. And run the form.